बताऊं तो दिल टूट गया ये देख के। ऑनेस्टली ऑल्दो आई एम लाफिंग राइट नाउ, पर सच में दिल टूट गया मेरा, लाइक फॉर असिका। ओके लेट्स गो। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली। क्या हाल है? सो गाइस, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ ऑन द सॉन्ग क्या गाना है देखते हैं। रोवन लिया लाई रोवन लाई, आई थिंक ये पंजाबी प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा, रोवन लाई। ओके, and the cover looks really emotional guys, and okay, it's a little emotional and देख के कैसे हार्ट ब्रेक हो जा रहा है। and featuring असिका भाटिया, विशाल पांडे, पूर्वी भार्गवा, and it's sung by Ramji Gulati and produced by T Series Apna Punjab. Okay, so ज़्यादा वैसे let's watch. So watching on my phone and here I go. And cover तो guys बहुत ही ज़्यादा emotional लग रहा है अभी तक तो, like यहाँ पे someone is crying and someone is being happy on the other hand. क्या हो रहा है कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो थोड़ा क्यूरियोसिटी तो मतलब हो ही रहा है ये कवर देख के। सो ज़्यादा मैं वैसे लेट्स वॉच कर माय फोन एंड हियर गो। सो अगर आपने मेरी तरह नहीं देखा एंड वाचिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम, लेट्स वॉच टुगेदर। सो हियर वी गो, लेट्स वॉच। God, I feel sorry for her. Love triangle, guys. Oh, don't cry. Poor baby. I should not laugh right now. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. So I was laughing and all. मैं हंस रही थी in the like seeing the video, but it is a bit really hurtful if you see the part played by Asika. उनकी रोल जो थी, you know, if you see her character, अगर आप उनकी perspective से अगर आप देखते हैं the music video, then you're going to really feel sorry for Asika, and on the other hand, Vishal being a very bad guy and all. But um, it's like if you really feel for someone, go and just say it to them. And like मतलब अब बता दो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा ना, like no is going to be the answer, so that's it. Like you're going to get a closure and you can like move on, or you can like ठीक है चलो और वो try करते हैं नहीं करते हैं, you know, you can decide. It's like there are like two baggages guys कि अच्छा ठीक है, this is bag A, this is bag B, and मैंने decide किया कि चलो ये है, हाँ हम बता देंगे, and this one is नहीं हम नहीं बोलेंगे, and I'm going to like keep on keeping a secret like Asika did in the music video, and whichever bag suits you, bag A or bag B, आप वही लीजिए, and you know which you can really take along with yourself, if that makes any sense. जो आप उठा पाओगे, जिस बैग की वेट आप ले पाओगे आपके साथ, आप वही लोगे. सो इट्स योर चॉइस कम्प्लीटली. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो भी दिल में है बता दो यार, एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही होगा, ना होगा हाँ होगा, जो कुछ भी होगा इट्स गोइंग टू लाइक गिव यू सम टाइप ऑफ कंक्लूजन. एंड जो विशाल के साथ हुआ दैट वाज लिटिल क्या कहते हैं इसको, कर्मा being the bad witch up here. So I will say yeah, Karma played really well for Vishal, but again Vishal को भी आप यहाँ पे blame नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि he didn't know about Asika's in like feelings and all. But it was really obvious, but I don't know, like it's obvious that she feels for him, and I don't know, अगर आप दोस्त हो तो you can really understand that. But anyways, it ended somewhere, like it ended nowhere, and like all three of them have got their own paths and all. लेकिन towards the end मुझे एक ही part जो खराब लगा, that was like, you know, Asika acting like an option. You know guys, if you मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि if something like this happens, yeah, you can still feel for that guy or girl, but don't take yourself as an option, because you are more precious than that, and I feel you deserve much better and much more than this. If God is not giving you what you really want, then भगवान आपके लिए अच्छा चीज़ कुछ रखा हुआ है. So you know, just work hard, and yeah, you can still be friends, and you can still hang out, and everything is there, and you can still be so supportive for that person. Yet मैं कहूँगी कि ठीक है, don't take yourself ever as an option ever, क्योंकि आपकी लाइफ में you are the hero of your whole life. So this is a big statement. Think over it. And Asika ने जो किया, you know, taking herself as an option, you know, being available for him, for Vishal, that thing मुझे वो part बहुत ही गंदा लगा, and it was like, okay, was it really necessary and all, and like why are you taking yourself as an option, girl? Like you are so cute and everything is there. Yeah, be a supporter, be like a good friend, but not as an option. No, like ठीक है, feelings है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन don't take yourself as an option. So मुझे लगा कि you know somewhere she is taking herself as an option. So that's why I said that's what I wanted to say about this thing. Except for that, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये गाना. It's a really heart touching, and it's really little hurtful if you see, and yeah, it's really emotional as well. थोड़ा बहुत इमोशनल था, बट I little bit I laughed in it, and I'm sorry if you guys are feeling bad about this. I'm really sorry. But मुझे विशाल का जो एक हार्ट ब्रेक था वो देख के बहुत ही हंसी आया, and that part was really like yes good, yes अच्छा हुआ, like this should have happened. But yeah, again, Vishal was no wrong in it. He had feelings, the girl had feelings, and they both like inclined towards each other, and they made like they started something, but it ended in a bitter tone. But cheating nahi karni chahiye, and yeah, so that's what. So I will just say, if someone has faced something like this kind of betrayal or something, guys, जिंदगी में अच्छी चीज़ों पे फोकस करो rather than focusing on the things which are going to give you heart aches and all. मतलब जैसे कि ये चीज़ अगर आप betrayal फेस किए और anything you have faced and you are getting hurt by that, don't get indulged into it. Don't like give it a chance to occupy your brain, because it's a very 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 important part of your whole soul. So I will say focus on the good and keep working hard on the good. क्योंकि जब आप focus करते हो on something that's good, you get the result that's going, like the end result as something good. So what you manifest basically is चलो अच्छा करते हैं, something good is going to happen. कुछ अच्छा हो ही जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. अगर कुछ हुआ भी नहीं, आप कुछ learn कर पाओगे, and honestly speaking, you are going to get like you're gonna get experience and all. और हाँ अच्छा लगेगा, खुद का life ठीक है, I'm doing this and not getting indulged into something that is going to break my mental peace and all. So as a small suggestion, I will say to all of you guys, to all of my TFG fans. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to say, and बहुत बोल लिया मैंने आज. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support, and also share this video if you agree with me, and comment down below or how you felt about this entire video and how do I look. Comment down below. So yeah, this is Amrita, that kind girl, and guys, do follow me on social media networks as well. I'm on Instagram as Emily_that_girl, and on Facebook Emily Rudra. The links are in the description box, so do follow me up there. And yeah, alright guys, subscribe kar do. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And as I always say, stay safe unless and until you are getting vaccinated. So let's hope for the best. And yeah, this is Emily Rudra, that kind girl. Bye, have a great day. And yeah, so वीडियो यहाँ पे अंत होता है. बाय, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे.